Welcome back, guys. In today's video we're going to be working on some Spyderco knives. So I decided to grab a couple of Dragonflies, which are an everyday carry style 2.5 inch or 2.8 inch I believe blade, stainless frame, VG10 blade. So pretty nice looking. And we're gonna do some custom engraving on this guy right here. These are some high quality knives. I'm not a huge knife guy, so I did a bit of researching on some made in America brands. So like Cold Steel, Spyderco, Benchmade obviously. And I decided to start with something a little bit more pocket friendly, budget friendly, because I intend to give these away at cost, minimum advertised price, sell them to a viewer or on the internet or whatever. So let's dive right in. I'll be showing you what I'm going to be putting on this knife on the scales, and then we'll get into the process. Thank you. All right, so let's get started by taking this apart. I need to get the scales off. So that's a little Torx bit on these screws down here. So I'm gonna go grab one real quick out of my tool set. Got blue Loctite on those screws. All right, so it turns out this is a pinned body. As you can see, there's no more fasteners on here. So I'm going to have to engrave this all together. I would have liked to remove the blade from the scales, but that's not an option for me right now, as I don't want to damage this and prying it with screwdrivers, etc. But should be fine. I don't intend to put a whole bunch of heat on it, but let's hop right over to the laser. All right, so I had to swap to a different pattern. I'll show you the output of what happened with the other knife here in a minute. But it didn't turn out how I wanted to, so we're gonna be doing it this way. So let's take off. All right, we're gonna do the other side. Alright, I'm gonna clean it up and I'll meet you here in a second. Okay, so here is the finished product. Let me get out of the frame here. Like I did in my last video, I'll take some photos and drop them in here. But this one turned out really nice. I'll show you the other one, which I did not like. Already put the clip back on. So I tried to, probably can't see it really well, but I tried to 3D engrave this one, and it just didn't have enough volume in it. So I did the reverse of what I just did on that other knife on one side, and then I did a 3D embossing on the other. It didn't exactly turn out the way I liked, and it actually left a very small, I don't know if you can see it here, but there's a very small nick in the blade because the pass-through hole right here, the blade actually rests in that hole. So I engraved it closed and it accidentally took, I don't know, a millimeter away from blade surface. But positive note, I will be giving away both of these knives. Okay, these retail for around $100, so that's $200 of a knife going out to you guys. So all you have to do to get entered into that giveaway is leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. So the comment will be Dragonfly. If you put that comment in, you'll be entered into the giveaway, and then I'll probably end up giving these away at 100 subs. Nothing crazy. I'm already at 25 or something like that. So in the meantime, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one.